To begin, thank you for taking the time to discuss student performances. I received your question about how to properly handle interventions in the fifth grade classroom and wanted to record a short video for you to watch when you have an opportunity. Specifically, you asked how to conduct interventions when nearly 1/3 of the class has a state-mandated IEP. You also noted perhaps the SPED team should be doing more Tier 1 instruction to support students. Before I address your question, I was able to pull some of the classroom data. As you might know, facing insurmountable barriers is not new at Arthur Ashe. In recent years, underperforming students have been able to make significant progress in academic gains, not by being replaced with better students, but by facing the realities with a plan of action and determination. Student test scores jumped from the lowest in the district to the most improved in just 1 year. So believe you me, this is a place where students are not afraid of hard work. First, I agree with your assessment that the SPED team should be doing more. In fact, I think everyone should be doing more to support this classroom. Because 1/3 of the students has an IEP, coupled with an overrepresentation of discipline problems, means strong Tier 1 instruction is critical. Taking a deeper dive into the data, we should focus on strong Tier 1 instruction for all students using the MTSS framework. An article by Dia Jackson suggests MTSS is a systemic approach to addressing the needs of all students, which is also a prime opportunity for schools to intentionally create a system that eliminates barriers and produces positive outcomes. My question for next steps is looking for common planning time and seeing where there might be gaps for students with an IEP and those without. Because strong Tier 1 instruction supports all students, not just those with an IEP. So where does the gen ed and the SPED teacher have common planning times? We can look at some of those gaps. Secondly, given the makeup of this classroom, this is a prime opportunity for teacher collaboration. In his book entitled Effective Inclusive Schools, author here noted the most effective schools never regard disability and family background as a reason children could not learn, but instead an opportunity. Thus, for next steps, also, I would want to know what interventions are currently being used and what follow-up plan is in place to support students that are falling behind. Who is tracking data? How often is data being tracked? What metrics are being used to understand and to test students' content knowledge? One of the best initiatives is already in place on this campus, the Universal Designs for Learning. We must follow up here to ensure all students are receiving high-quality instruction before they are being referred for an IEP. Let's touch base in 1 week and see what progress has been made and where we are then. Thanks.